Representing functions using tables. A common method of representing functions is in the form of a table. The table rows or columns display the corresponding input and output values. In some cases, these values represent all we know about the relationship. Other times, the table provides a few select examples from a more complete relationship. Table 3 lists the input number of each month. January equal to 1, February equal to 2, and so on, and the output value of the number of days in that month. This information represents all we know about the months and days for a given year that is not a leap year. Now note that in this table, we define a days in a month function f, where d is equal to f of m, identifies months by an integer rather than by a name. So here we have the month number, which is the input, 1 all the way to 12. We have the days in a month, d, which is the output, which represents the days that are in that month. Now, table 4 defines a function q equals g of n. So remember that this notation tells us that g is the name of the function that takes the input n and gives the output q. So this is the input 1, and it gives an output of q, which is 8. The input is 2, it gives an output of 6. The input is 3, it gives an output of 7. The input is 4, gives an output of 6. The input is 5, which gives an output of 8. Now the next table, 5, below, displays the age of children in years and their corresponding heights. This table displays just some of the data available for the heights and ages of children. We can see right away that this table does not represent a function because the same input value, 5 years, has two different output values, 40 inches and 42 inches. So we have 5 going to 40 and 42, 6 to 44, 7 to 47. So therefore this table does not represent a function because we have one input going to two outputs.